Hello friends, welcome to my channel Analog Digital Academy, and today I am going to show you the table of SMT component package and their size, length, width and height, and most important parameters, their wattage. So here is the package 0201. This is lowest package and this is up to highest package. There is a other package is available more than this, but today we will discuss about F2. This is the general use package. So here is the code, and the code in imperial and metric. What is the imperial and metric? There is a two types of codes. Some country follow this code and some country follow this code. Only name number is different with each other, but all these things, length and height and width and wattage is same. Suppose 0201 in imperial code, this having this length and width and what this wattage, same length and width and wattage this number will have. So this is metric and this is imperial. In India, this imperial code is used, and in USA also this code is used, but in some other country and some other country also use imperial um, terminology, but some other country use metric terminology. So these are the package, and these are the length and their size, and these are the wattage. The most important thing in this table, the relation between the package and between the wattage. So some people use this table to watch the wattage of this package, wattage of this package, wattage of this package, because these these wattage, these things is very difficult to remember. If some generally people gets forget this table, so generally they watch this table to remember the wattage. So these starting package 0201, 0402 and 0603, nowadays these are most widely used package in the application. For general application, these three packages is more used. In these 0402 and 0603 is mostly used package, and they have the length, and if you talk about the 0201, its and its metric code is 0603. You will see this in the DigiKey site also, and it length in inch, and this is in mm, and width this is in inch and this is in mm, and height inch and mm, and this is the wattage. This is the most important thing. So 0201 package having the wattage 1 by 20, in decimal form 0.05 wattage. This is in wattage. And 0402 and metric code is this 1005, and length this and this, and its wattage is 1 by 16 equal to 0.062. Now this is 0603, and as you go to downside, so its value of the wattage and value of the size of the component will be increased, and if you go to from downside to upside, the value, the package size of the component and wattage of the component will be decreased. So they have the relation like this. In ascending mode, the size and wattage will be increased. In descending mode, like this, from here to here, the size and wattage will be decreased. Now we talk about 0603. It's having 1 by 10 watt, 0.1 watt. 0805 having 1 by 8 watt. 1206 having 1 by 4 watt, and 1210 having half watt, and 1812 having 1 watt, and 201 0 having 3 by 4 0.7 wattage, and 2512 also having the 1 watt. The relation between the wattage and package, mostly this feature of this table is used. So hope you might have got this table, how to read this table, and what is the relation between the package and wattage. If you got something from this video, so please like my video, subscribe it, and press the bell icon, because ahead I am going to take this type of video for you. Thank you.